aya aquí abay hopibong. Nos serando aya com quase 4.000 sterilisacion. Essa aqui vai haci ori 31.000 en total desde que nós começamos em 2016. Nós estamos felizes de que aya aqui nos haya support também na Aruba como na Merca de One Love Foundation, que também ajuda nos a recaudar fundo para assim nós por continuar com nossa missão para esterilizar mais animal possível. Well, danke Deus, nós haya e fundo na back, nos sponsor mais grande, naturalmente, bukuti entara a logra de por duna sponsorship mais grande aya aqui. Também nós hayando diferentes sponsors como de ATA, nós hayando de Seitar, de Aruba Bank e também de One Love, por exemplo, que é fundação na Merca. Well, One Love Foundation é uma fundação de voluntário de Merca, que também na Aruba, para recaudar fundo para assinar por duna donacion para sterilisacion, pero também para operação e outro kosang médico para animal e nang approach nos dori ko nang kaya ayuda nos para sina por esterilizar mais animal nang haci fundraising na Merca una nang tahaya monthly donation de diferentes membros nang e nang bing dos viaja aya aqui para hacer sponsorship de $8,000 cada viaja. Ito vai continuar. Hopefully nos vai por trabajar com outro e recaudar mais fundo ainda. Pero sí, ito vai continuar. Nang por hacer donação diretamente na nos bank account de Aruba Bank, 100% de nos fundo nang tawar usar para cobrir o custo de sterilização. Também nang por hacer donação por si nang tabiba ng exterior. Pronto nang lo por hacer de cuenta na Holanda, pero if not, si nang tabiba na Amerika, por ejemplo, nang por hacer via One Love of otra organización nang ibukuti lo match $2 ko tawar donain nang tambe.
Yes, One Love Foundation's mission is to really help the strays and the sterilization efforts in Aruba. And we saw that there was a great need when we were here, and we have a lot of experience in the US, and so we wanted to bring some of those things that we've learned to Aruba. We really thought we could help with the problem here. And so that's been our mission, is to educate people in the U.S. what the issue is here with the animals and how they can help if they do come to the island, or how they can help. So we're four members from the U.S. We love Aruba. We've been coming here on vacation for many years, and we saw there was an issue, and actually one of the kids that was with us said, well, why don't you do something about it then? If you see there's a problem, why don't you do something? And so we said, you're right. And we started One Love Foundation, and we solely focus on Aruba for our fundraising efforts. Yeah, so we started right before 2020, right before the pandemic, we started this. And we raised funds by coming down here and showing, what the issue is here with the stray animals and the sterilization efforts that need to be done here. We have a lot of monthly donors now that with the partnership that we have now, they see that all the money we raised is matched. So that's been a huge thing for our donors. They know that 100% of their proceeds go to the sterilization efforts and that it's matched, so we can double our impact. Yeah, so in 2022, we were able to give $16,000 to the sterilization efforts, and we're hoping next year that we'll be able to double that with how we've shown, the impact that it's made this year. I think we can do even more next year, so that's what we're hoping. We'd really love to see everybody, get their pets spayed and neutered, and everybody should have access to that, no matter the income level. We want programs where everybody has access to spay and neuter their animals, and we would love to see everybody on the island sign up and spay and neuter their animals, so that we can stop the problem with a lot of the stray animals here. There's just so many, and the only way to make an impact really is through sterilization.